Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Shyamli. Hope you all are doing well. So today's video is about Myntra summer new season haul. So those who doesn't know what is new season, so whenever any brand launches their new collection, just like fresh pieces, fresh designs and fresh styles, that comes under new season. So before moving ahead, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any video. And do watch this complete video to get the complete idea. And if you really like it, don't forget to like, share and comment. Without wasting our time, let's get started. So our first item is this red color shirt, and when I saw this first time, I was like, I want this. I'm in really love with this. I literally want it. Why? Just because of its sleeve styles. Just look at its sleeves. OMG. This pattern is bit in trend, but it's starting from the middle, not from the just corner. And at the wrist side, it has this perfect fitting as well. So don't worry about this fluffy designs, and I really love it. It's from Quiro brand and Quiro. It's from Quiro brand, and previously also I had purchased with this brand. So I found like these products are really literally amazing. Those are bit different styles and amazing collection they have. Its style name is Margaret shirt, and its XS size even has 34, like its smallest size is XS, and which is also 34, not 32 or 30. But yeah, if you are like me or slightly healthier than me, then it's okay, it will work for you. So come to its design. So it, since I have already shown you, it has this fluffy sleeves, and from the back it has this elastic just for fitting. From the back it has this elastic, and the front side it has this black belt corner. One side is at the corner, but another one is middle of right side. I really love this, and it will really give quite classy and bossy look when I pair it with black leather pant and the hat. Then it will literally give quite bossy looks. I'm gonna style this in same way. Hat I don't have, but I will style it with leather pant. So before try this shirt, I want to show you guys the next product, the next item, which is leather pant. So that is not a proper leather pant, that's this fox leather. Yeah, this is our black pant. It's fox leather. So since fox leather gives quite leather vibes, so I went this only after watching lot of reviews from Jastra brand, and it's in black color and S size. It's in S size. So now it's time to try both of these, and let's see how it looks. I'm really excited to try. And the next item is this cropped shirt, which is in multicolor. And look at this color. These are so simple, bouncy, and just too much attractive. So I really like these colors, so I went for this. It's from Sassafras, and I think it's a known brand. You guys might have known this one. This one is extra small. Yeah, style name is Rainbow Organza shirt style crop top. Yeah, so from the wrist side it has this elastic, and it's not the transparent because it has the another cloth inside also. And when I will literally carry it with white pants, white bootcut pants and white big goggles, it will literally give retro classy style and will literally give like those Rajesh Khanna's times. I really love that. This will literally give look like that. Right now I don't have white goggles just like the previous hat. Right now I don't have white goggles, so I will style it with white bootcut pant. Now it's time to try. So my next purchase is this purple color striped in white color shirt, and usually I literally don't like these checked patterns and all, but when I saw this now I was literally like I want this. Like look at this color combination, it's looking amazing, and it's from I'm for you. Yeah, its style is Purva Kurta. Yeah, its style is Purva Kurta and in S size, and this was the last piece when I purchased it. So I was like, before out of stock, I want to order this. I can create many style with this. Like just look at this. I can carry it as a coat. It's giving quite warm feels as well. So I can not only in summer, since it's soft, comfortable, I can carry it in summers as well as in winter season, and I can style it in many ways. See, I can style it as a shirt, as a coat, as a one piece, as a shirt, like jacket shirt and this. So I was like, I want this. I don't want to lose these many styles with a single shirt, and I will share with you guys also those styles. So I will make another video on this shirt with these many styles. That will take bit time, but don't worry, I will share with you guys. So now it's time to try. Next purchase is this red colored top, and this is not new season. This was in my bag since long, literally since long. So I removed it from my bag as because its size was showing too large. Even in the XS size also it was showing 36 in XS. So I was like, no use to buy this. Why should I buy this? But then later I thought I really want to try this style. So what? I will try this. If it won't fit me, then I will return this. No issue. So I just ordered it just for a trial, and when I tried it, it perfectly fit me, and its style is literally amazing. Just look at this lace design. Yeah, it's completely party wear. You can carry it as a top, as a ghangra blouse, as a lehenga blouse, and you can create many styles with the single top. So it's from Indus brand, and product name is Indus Red Silk Blend Fringed Pardot Crop Top. So yeah, it's in XS size and in red color, as you can see. Oh, these fringes will come on this sleeves also. So I can style it with white pant, red pant, and I think not black. It will not go that much with black. Instead of white, it will completely go with white and will look amazing. So I can style it with white and red pants, and also I guess ghagra. With ghagra also I can style white color ghagra, red color ghagra. It will work as both your top, your blouse. So yeah, let's try this. Last but not the least, so my last purchase is this shirt. It's in blue color. There was another color also, some maroon, not proper red. Yeah, that was maroon, bit maroon color, and it's a crop shirt but not properly cropped. Like it won't show like crop, but it won't tie inside pant also. So yeah, it's a crop but not a proper crop, like it won't show as crop but it won't tie and inside pant. Different about these crop styles as well as its sleeves, like at the wrist side it's just like shirt, but here just see its design, it has black color net. And Mindra cheated with me literally in this case because they are satin tight bow as well, so I thought that will also come with it because model was carrying that same, but when I received it I didn't get that bow. So really looking amazing, and with white color pants it will literally go, it's like it will give a combination of classy plus retro style. And you guys might have definitely know it's casually and it's in S size, and style is animal printed boxy crop shirt. Okay, I can style it with white pants and I think it will completely give Wala style. See, in the picture it was with this bow, but I didn't receive this, and its cloth is polyester. Now it's time to try this also.